How to access Capcut Pro. The first thing is for you to prepare your video. After preparing your video, you go to Capcut, click on Capcut. After clicking on Capcut, click on New Project. After clicking on New Project, scroll to select the particular video you want to use. Okay. Let's check. Okay, let's use this. I'll click on Add. After clicking on Add, we'll have this. The next step, since I'll be posting this on YouTube, I'll have to increase the aspect ratio, which is 16:9. Mark good. After marking good, what I will now do is to resize the video. I'll resize the video to my thirst. Okay, I think it's okay this way. Next thing, let me remove the ending part. Click delete, click again, click delete. Let me add, now add pro feature. Let's go to effect, video effect. That's the one I want to, but you can put as many as you want, any pro feature at all. Let me go to light effect. Let me select this. I think I'm okay with this. I'll mark good. After doing that, if you watch, immediately we'll click on that pro feature. You see pro on top of this particular video, meaning that we've used a pro feature. So for you, that's meaning that we've used a pro feature. For us to export there will be a pop-up message saying you need to upgrade, and since we don't want to upgrade, you click on the cancel. For you to export direct after applying pro feature, you need to pay. So that's not what we want to do. We click on cancel. After clicking on cancel, the next thing, on your recorder, play the video from beginning. Allow it to play from beginning till the end of the video, then you stop. So the next thing is for you to go to Capcut, click on new project, import the video you recorded. After applying pro feature, click on it, then import. After importing, what you will need to do is click on it. If you want to add audio, you can add audio. If you watch now, it's showing normal Capcut. It's showing normal Capcut. Then if you want to add audio, you can add audio. Then do necessary adjustments if you still want to, but maybe not adding pro feature, because if you add pro feature, you still need to record it again, then bring it back, import it as normal video, so that it will not you will not have problem with upgrade issue. The next thing is for you to go to adjustment, you go to sharpening, increase the sharpening of the video so that the quality will pop very well. It will be it will look like video with high quality. So sharpen it to your taste. then click OK. The next thing is click on at the end, delete the ending part. After deleting the ending part, the next thing is for you to click export. After downloading, the next thing is just go to your gallery, then trim your necessary parts out. We are done with your video.